Speech on Children's Day. Good morning to everyone, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today we have gathered here to celebrate one of the most joyful days of the year, Children's Day, which is celebrated every year on 14th November. This day is special because it marks the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India. He was a great leader and freedom fighter, but above all, he loved children very much. He believed that children are the real strength and future of the nation. Because of his love and affection for children, we lovingly call him Chacha Nehru. He believed that every child deserves love, education, and opportunity to grow. He once said, the children of the today will make the India of tomorrow. He dreamed of a world where every child could learn freely, play happily, and live fearless. Children's Day reminds us that we should protect the right of children, the right to education, the right to play, and the right to happy life. It is our responsibility to make sure that no child is left behind and that every child feel valued and loved. On this day, schools organize many fun activities, games, competition to make children feel special and appreciate. But beyond the celebrate, this day also inspire us to become kind, honest, and responsible citizens just as Chacha Nehru wanted us to be. Let us take a moment to thank our teachers and parents who guide us, help us become better human beings every day. So, my dear friends, let's promise today what we will always stay curious to learn, brave to dream, and strong to face challenge. Because we are not just children, we are the future leaders, scientists, teachers, and change maker of India. Thank you. Happy Children's Day, everyone.